Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Android version and making sure you have the VPN credentials on hand: username, password, and server address. Once done, decide whether to install the provider app from Google Play or set up a manual VPN in Settings. Navigate to Settings Right Arrow Network and Internet Right Arrow VPN to begin. If installing an app, open Play Store and search the provider name. Install the official client for simpler setup. Otherwise, you'll enter details manually in the next step. You now configure the VPN details. If using manual VPN, tap Add VPN and select Protocol. Choose ICAV2 for speed and security, or L2TP/ISEC if required by your provider. For Open VPN, use the provider app or a client. Enter the server address, username and password, and any pre-shared key or certificate. Also set DNS or split tunnel preferences if available. Make sure to toggle the always-on VPN later if desired. You finish by enabling the connection and confirming its effect. Check your public IP and that apps can access resources through the tunnel. Once connected, consider enabling always-on VPN and block connections without VPN for privacy. If the connection fails, first recheck server address and credentials, then verify protocol compatibility. Some servers require certificates. Also try toggling airplane mode, rebooting the phone, or reinstalling the provider app. If issues persist, contact your provider with logs or switch to an alternate server to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.